Every day starts the same way for me, preparing my workspace, and this chair has become the heart of it. As a teacher, I spend long hours planning lessons for my students after school. And honestly, I never get tired anymore. This chair supports me so well that I feel more relaxed the longer I sit. The adaptive lumbar support has been a game changer. At school, I'm always standing, always moving, so when I sit here to plan, I need proper support, and this chair gives me exactly that. When my work is done, I simply close my planner, lean back, and enjoy the reclining feature. Even when I'm off from school, I don't leave my desk, because this chair makes my workspace a place I actually love spending time in. Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I read a book, and every moment feels more comfortable with this chair beside me.